like 6:53. Let's watch the phone today. I'm not gonna upload a video for reasons because I dropped it already, and I accidentally leaked someone's number because they were calling my phone, and I was being a dumbass. So I'm gonna go on the road, throw it as high as I can. Today might be the last day of it. I got another phone. Stay tuned for that phone on the things, alright? So hopefully, I'm gonna throw it as high as I can. I had a charger. The only thing that lights up is the buttons, but the screen's like totally dead. So I'll repeat that. Oh, actually, no one. Oh, someone's coming. Hold up. Be back. Okay. Let's throw as high as you can. Let's hope it doesn't hit a car. If it does, I'm screwed. Okay. Throw as high as you can. 3, 2, 1. There she is, right there. Holy shit. Grab this. I might leave the battery cover off, but nothing happened. Just some scuffing on the back. Damn. That's insane. Okay, let's do it again, shall we? Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, big boy. Oh, that's the jack thingy. Or little headphone jack cover thingy. Nothing. I'm gonna throw it as far as I can. Oh, never mind. Someone's coming. I literally see you guys, because someone's literally coming right now. So yeah. I don't think it broke. No, it broke the LCD in the front. Back, I don't know. To be honest. Yeah, that doesn't look shattered. Insane. Yeah, that's actually insane. Damn brake. I'm gonna do open, so yeah. Be back. By the way, there's nothing wrong with the battery cover. It's scuffed up pretty bad. Well, I think it broke a piece right here. I wish I could charge the battery, but yeah, the battery's like screwed up. So yeah, see that's in the air. Okay, I went back. I went there as far as I can. So hopefully it doesn't make that much sense. So yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that broke the hell out of it. Oh, that broke the shit out of it. Damn. Hey, there goes that. Damn. There goes that. Shit. There goes the back, the front cover. Going on the side, but I ain't surprised. Didn't break the screen. That's a good thing. Oh, let me break this bitch. Okay, this little fucking camera shit came off. Didn't break the screen. Okay, that'll probably good. Nope. Screen's popping up. Nope. God damn. Okay, I'm gonna put it in there. No homo. Oh, it broke the LCD. Damn. Bruh, shit. Well, there goes that. I was by literally dropping off my roof. Overboard LCD. See? Let's see if we can put it back in there. Okay. There goes that. Okay, we did put it back in, but It's like loose right now. See? Yeah. We'll throw it aside so I can. Just a screen connection with it. We'll throw both of these together. Oh shit. Oh, separation. Glue. But Jesus, mother potato chips. Sorry about that. The screen just literally popped off. Literally broke. That shit was open too. I'm pretty sure it went on the side. Oh, I think someone texted me. Hold up. No one did. This one did. But yeah, it's insane. Oh, it worked. I'll see you on this one. Like wonderful. Fuck. There you go. Cracked it. Yeah. Flip one's done. But yeah. Yeah. Flip one's done. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and peace out.